Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group as well as a Facebook group also. Both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the faculty vacancies recruitment from the two colleges. And here the opportunities is there for the UG, PG, non-UG Senate and UG Senate as well as the PhD candidates. So let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UG Senate electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the first college that I wanted to show you. And here it is Agarwal Vidyalaya and a junior college from Tamil Nadu. So here we require UG or PG qualified and experienced minimum 2 years male or female trained teachers to handle the following subjects. So English, Tamil, Hindi, Maths and primary. Next art and craft teacher, librarian, PET as well as a KG trained teacher. Fine. So here the mail ID is also given and the contact number is also given. So you may check down both these two. Coming to the contact number 04426618665. Okay, and here coming to the mail ID avjrcollege@gmail.com. So the interested candidates may send your resume to this one or else you may once contact to this number. Fine. And while coming to the next one is it is the Institute Technology and Engineering, guys. Okay, it is autonomous college. That college name is SESI. And it is from West Godavari, that you may check down here. So here the vacancies are there for the associate and assistant professor and the lecturers, lab assistant or programmer and the junior assistant. Okay, so coming to the departments, here this one is not properly visible, but I will tell you guys the departments CSE and EST, CST, ECE and ECT, EEE and ME, mathematics, chemistry, biotechnology, biology, environmental science and MBA. Fine. So in these departments, associate, assistant as well as the lecturer vacancies are there and the qualification and experience as per the AICT or JNTU norms. So while coming to the lecturer post and for the assistant professor, if you are having the PG in these departments, then you may apply, guys. And while coming to the lab assistant or the programmer, civil, ECE, EEE, mechanical, CSC and IT, physics, chemistry and English. Okay. And here the walk-in interviews are there from 9th Feb 2021 to 14th Feb 2021 between 9 AM to 4 PM. Okay, so in the campus itself, that is SES or Autonomous Institute of Technology and Engineering. And here the contact number is also there. So just note down the contact number 08818275500. And here the mail ID is also provided career@sasi.ac.in. Okay, so the qualifications and the pay scale as per the AICT norms, guys. Okay, so all the interested candidates may apply to this one or else may go for the walk-in interview. And here the selected candidates has to be joined immediately. That point is also given here. So there is an immediate recruitment from this college, guys. So these are the two different colleges. Okay, so one required for these subjects and the second one required for these subjects. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects. Okay, so if you're having the UG or PG, okay, so UG in these departments with experience and PG in this department, okay, so you may apply to this one, guys. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.